Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bhavya Gupta, and today I will be demonstrating my Mat2 project on library management system. So this is my homepage. It's made in Vue.js and it's a single page application. You can view basic details like categories, popular ebooks, and latest editions as well. This is a scrollable window. Yeah. So a user can log in. For example, let me just log out. Yeah. So user can log in and or create an account. You can select the student tab and let's log in. This is the dashboard of the user. You can see that the basic account details of the user, requested books, issued books, for example, past books, and purchase history. You can purchase the ebooks as well, and user can edit the basic account information such as name, email, or password. So let's see. Let's go to the books tab. In books tab, you can search through books from author name, section, or sort by, for example, total reads, total read count. I'll sort it. So the books are now sorted by read count. And you, for example, I want to read Atomic Habits. I'll just go to it, and this book is currently already issued to me, so I can just directly read it or download it. I have been given the permission to download it from the librarian. I can rate the book. For example, I'll rate it 5 star, and have commented also 17 minutes ago, which I can delete also. So let's go to some other book, The Adventure of Sherlock Holmes. This is I have purchased the book, so let's go to some other book. For example, The Wings of Fire. Yeah. So I can either request the book or purchase the book directly. Request will send the request to the librarian, or purchase I can directly download the book. For example, let's purchase the book. It will open a Razorpay window. It's using test account API keys. So this is a dummy transaction. For example, let me just it will automatically be approved even without payment. You will be redirected back into sequence. Yeah. So now you can see I can directly download the book from the one-time link. And if I go to my dashboard, you can see that I have purchased Wings of Fire on this date and on this price. I can also return the books issued to me. For example, I'll return this, and I can request any number of books. For example, past history I can also request. For example, I'll request it, and it will go to the admin dashboard. I can filter through section. For example, I want to read some biographies. I can see all the books listed in the biographies section. I can also filter from here. And for example, I want to read biographies, but I also want that highest rating biography. So it's here. It's sorted from rating purpose, and it's all biography, both biographies. And so this is as much for the user section. You can cancel the request as well. Let's go to the admin dashboard. Let's go to the dashboard. This is the librarian dashboard. You can see there is one pending request and 4 books are currently issued, and some basic statistics. You can see top issued books. You can change the library policies. These are some basic backend jobs options, and you can see that the purchase sales history as well chart. You can see on August 9 there was sale of 700 rupees, and on today there was a sale of 400 rupees worth of books, and total monthly sale is 1100. Let's go to the pending request. We can approve the book. So now the user can if I go back to the let's say Atomic Habits. You can see that the book is already issued to me now, and if I go back, it's in issued tab. This is the issue date and the due date of the book. Let's go to the dashboard. Currently issued. You can view the all the users and their respective issued books. I can revoke any book from here, or I can view the specific user's dashboard. I'm in the librarian account. So no requested books. I can revoke the book access from here also, and visit the user activity. So let's go back to the dashboard, and let's view the books and sections. There are all the books and sections. A librarian can create a new book with PDF and image. A librarian can delete any book and edit it as well. For example, I want to upgrade the price to 300. I can just change the price to 300. I can edit the authors, remove an author, add sections, change description, edit base image, edit PDF, etc., etc. I can also manage user comments on any book. For example, a user has commented some sensitive and vulgar details, so I can just delete the comment, as well as delete the book, obviously. For sections, similar things are present. For example, I can filter through sections or create a new section, as well as delete existing sections. I can also edit it, or I can remove the books. For example, Martian. I have removed Martian from sci-fi section. If I go back to the Martian section, you can see that there is no section. I can add a section. For example, I'm adding sci-fi. I can add mystery also, like in any number of sections to a book. You can see that mystery and sci-fi are present here. Admin can also comment. So this was as much for the books and sections. Let's go back to the policies. I can edit the maximum borrow days allowed. For example, after 5 days, the book will automatically be revoked from the user. The user can't read it. Max borrow count, a user cannot borrow more than 4 books, and auto approve in case the librarian has to go somewhere and the request keep piling up. Admin can turn on this option, and all the requests will automatically be approved. These are the basic backend options. For example, let's export the history, activity history. You can see that earlier I have exported it and it's available to download, but just now it's currently pending, and it will be available for download soon. Let's send reminders currently. I go to mail row. You can see that a few seconds ago I have received 2 mail on respective user's email. This particular book is due in 0 days, and this particular book is due in 2 days. This is just a reminder that you have to return the book or it will be automatically revoked. Let's send monthly report to the librarian, and you can see that librarian has received the monthly report for the previous month. All the statistics are mentioned here, like monthly reads, most popular book, and sales amount in the previous month, as well as users added and sections added in the previous month of July, and some basic statistics. Now let's go back and view recent exports. You can see that the recent export is completely completed with success, and I can download it. I have downloaded it. It just includes some basic issue and revocation history of the user. So that's it. I hope I have completed most of the points. Thank you for watching.